Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, now in this video I am going to start exercise 6.4. In exercise 6.4 there is the relation between roots and coefficient of a quadratic equation. Suppose you have ax square plus bx plus c that equal to 0 is your given quadratic equation. Then you know the value of x will be the roots of the quadratic equation. Suppose here alpha and beta be the two roots of this quadratic equation. Then here the first relation between the roots and the coefficient, that is the product, that means the sum of the roots. So here sum of the roots means alpha and beta. Okay, sum of the roots, that means alpha and beta. So as here alpha plus beta that equal to minus b by a. Okay, that is the first relation. Here minus b by a. Now minus b means the coefficient of x, and a means here coefficient of, write down here minus coefficient of x and then coefficient of x square. So that is the first relation. Now the next relation, that is the product of the roots, that is alpha into beta or alpha beta. This one is the sum of the roots and this one is the product of the roots. Now that equal to c by a. So c means here the constant term, and it's divided by coefficient of x square. Okay, so this is the relation between the roots and the coefficient of a quadratic equation. Now suppose you have only two roots, that is alpha and beta, and you don't know the quadratic equation. So now you have to form a quadratic equation. So whenever you have two roots alpha and beta and you have to form a quadratic equation, then the formula will be x square then minus sum of the roots, that means alpha plus beta, x plus product of the roots, that means alpha beta, and that equal to 0. So whenever you have two roots and you have to form a quadratic equation by helping with these two roots, then the formula will be x square minus sum of the roots x plus product of the roots, that equal to 0. Okay, so now I am going to solve exercise 6.4. So in exercise 6.4, here the first problem, problem number 1. Write the sum and the product of the roots of the following equation. So here the first equation is x square plus 9 that equal to 0. Okay, so now you have to find out the sum of the roots, that means alpha plus beta. Suppose alpha and beta be the two roots of this equation. So you have to write here alpha and beta be the two roots of this equation, and the formula is minus b by a, but here b equal to 0. So it will be 0 by a means 1. Okay, so that equal to here 0 by 1, that equal to 0. And next one, product of the roots, that equal to c by a. Here c equal to 9 by 1, so that equal to 1. Now next one, here the next equation, root 2 x square minus root 2 x plus 4, that equal to 0. Okay, so alpha plus beta will be here minus b. So here minus root 2, that means here plus root 2 divided by a. So root 2 by root 2, that equal to 1. And the next one is alpha into beta, that equal to 4 by root 2. Okay, so 4 by root 2 means if you divide it, so it will get 2 root 2. So 1 and 2 root 2 as your answer. 2. In sum number 2 here, if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation this one, then evaluate the value of this one. Okay, so as alpha and beta be the roots of this one, then here alpha plus beta will be 6 by 3, because minus minus plus, so 6 by 3 that equal to 2, and alpha into beta that equal to 4 by 3. Okay, now next, here alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. So as here alpha beta is the LCM, so you will get alpha cube plus beta cube. Next one, here alpha beta, here alpha square plus beta square. Then here also alpha beta as the LCM, and here 2 into beta plus alpha. Then here 3 into alpha beta, that means 3 into 4 by 3. Okay, now alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay, that means the formula of a cube plus b cube. You know the formula, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab, then again a plus b. And here alpha by beta, that means 4 by 3. Next, alpha square plus beta square. So alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, and here 4 by 3. Next one, here 2 into alpha plus beta, that equal to 2 into 2, and this one will be 4 by 3, plus 3 cancel out, that equal to 4. So now here alpha plus beta whole square, sorry, whole cube, that means 2 cube means 8, minus 3 into 4 by 3, and then alpha into beta equal to 2, here 4 by 3, plus this one 2 square means 4, minus 2 into 4 by 3 divided by 4 by 3, and here it will be 4 by 4 into 3 plus 4, so 4 cancel out. Now this one will be here 3 cancel out, so 8 minus 4 into 2, okay, that means 8, so 8 minus 8 it will be 0, so 0 by 4 by 3. Next one here 4, so 4 minus 8 by 3, 4 minus 8 by 3, this one 4 by 3. Now plus 3 plus 4. Okay, now this one will be 0, and here 4 minus 8 by 3, so 4 minus 8 by 3 it will be here 12 minus 8, that means 4 by 3, so 4 by 3 by 4 by 3, that equal to 1. So 1 plus 3 plus 4, that means 8 is your answer. Now sum number 3. If the roots of the equation x square plus px plus 7 that equal to 0 are denoted by alpha and beta, and here alpha square plus beta square that equal to 22, then find the possible values of p. So as here alpha beta be the roots of this equation, so alpha plus beta will be minus p by 1, and alpha into beta that equal to 7 by 1. So as here alpha square plus beta square equal to 22, now you know the formula of alpha square plus beta square, that equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta that equal to 22. So now put down the value, here minus p whole square, so it will be p square only, here minus 2 into 7, so 14 that equal to 22. So from that p square equal to 14 plus 22 that equal to 36. So here p equal to root over 36, that means plus minus 6 is your answer. Now next sum number 4. If alpha beta be the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, that means here alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta that equal to c by a. Now find the value of first one. So here first one is alpha square plus beta square. Okay, so you know the formula, same formula, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. That means this one will be b square by a square, and here 2c by a. Okay, So now here if LCM will be a square, so b square minus 2ac by a square is your answer. Next one is alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So here the LCM will be alpha beta and the upper one will be alpha square plus beta square. Okay, as you know the value of alpha square plus beta square, so write down this one, and here in denominator you have alpha beta, that means c by a, so it will be a by c. So a cancel out, so this one will be b square minus 2ac, here only a, so a into c ac. Now the third one, in the third one you have to find out alpha cube plus beta cube. You know the formula, alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Okay, so now this one will be minus b cube by a cube, here 3 into c by a, and alpha plus beta means again b by a. Okay, so now as here LCM will be a cube, so first one will be minus b cube, here minus minus it will be plus, then 3abc. Next one, number 4. In number 4, mod alpha minus beta. Okay, so number 4, mod alpha minus beta, so that equal to, you can write root over alpha minus beta whole square. Okay, as alpha minus beta whole square in root over, that means you will get alpha minus beta. So as here mod, so you have to take only positive one. So alpha minus beta whole square, the formula will be alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Okay, so now alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta, so alpha plus beta whole square means b square by a square, and this one will be 4c by a. Okay, 4c by a, so that equal to in root over b square minus 4ac by a square. Okay, b square minus 4ac by a square. So you can write down also like this way, b square minus 4ac, and here root a square means a, so you can write down in mod a, because you have to take only positive one. Now next one, number 5. In number 5, alpha square minus beta square. Okay, so that means alpha plus beta and again alpha minus beta. So now alpha plus beta, you know the value, that is minus b by a, and alpha minus beta, that one will be plus minus of this value. So you have to just write down here alpha plus beta will be minus b by a, and alpha minus beta, that will be here plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by a. Okay, so here the final value, that equal to plus minus, the upper one will be b into in root b square minus 4ac, and the lower one a into a, that is a square. Now sum number 6. So here alpha to the power 6 plus beta to the power 6. So alpha to the power 6 means alpha cube whole square, beta to the power 6 means beta cube whole square. So here the formula alpha square plus beta square, that means alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha into beta. Here alpha means alpha cube and beta means beta cube, you know that. So now from 3, that means 4 3, you have the value of alpha cube plus beta cube, and that is 3abc minus b cube by alpha cube. Okay, sorry, a cube. So now as here whole square, so you have to write down 3abc minus beta cube by a cube whole square minus 2 into, as here alpha cube beta cube, that means alpha into beta whole cube. So alpha beta means c by a, so c by a whole cube. Now here the whole square formula, that means this one minus this one. So 9a square b square c square plus beta to the power 6, that means b6, minus here 2 into 3abc into b cube. So 6abc into b cube divided by a to the power 6, and here minus here c cube by a cube. So as here a to the power 6 a cube, So A6 is the LCM. So 9a square b square c square plus b to the power 6 minus 6a b to the power 4c minus a 2a cube c cube as your answer. Number 5. In sum number 5, here alpha and beta are the roots of x square plus kx plus 12 that equal to 0, and here alpha minus beta equal to 1. Then find the value of k. So as alpha plus beta is the roots of this equation, then alpha plus beta will be minus k by 1 and alpha into beta that equal to 12 by 1. Okay, so now as you know the formula, that is alpha minus beta whole square that equal to here 1 square, that means 1. So now here alpha minus beta whole square equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta that equal to 1. Then alpha plus beta means minus k, so minus k whole square minus 4 into 12 that equal to 1. So k square equal to 49 and then k equal to plus minus 7. Now sum number 6. If one root of the equation px square minus 2p plus 3x minus p plus 1 that equal to 0 be 3, then find p and also the other root. So as here 3 is the one root of this equation, that means definitely 3 will be the value of x. So instead of x you can write down 3 here. So p into 3 square means 9 minus 2p plus 3 x, that means here 3 minus p plus 1 that equal to 0. So from that 9p minus 6p minus 9 minus p minus 1 that equal to 0. So 9p here 6p and 7p, so that equal 9 minus 7, so it's 2p, and here minus 9 minus 1, so minus 10 that equal to 0. So from that p equal to 10 by 2 that equal to 5. So that is your first answer. Now the next one, you have also find out the value of other root. Okay, so here the value of other root, as you know, if the two roots alpha and beta, okay, if the two roots is alpha and beta, so here the first one is 3, then you have to find out second one. So the product of the roots, that means alpha into beta, will be c by a. So here c means p plus 1, so minus, and by a means here p. So as here this one will be 3 beta because alpha equal to 3, and here p means 5 plus 1, so this one will be minus 6 by 5, then 3 cancel out with 6, so here beta will be minus 2 by 5. That means first answer p equal to 5 and second root minus 2 by 5 is your answer. Now sum number 7. Two candidates attempt to solve a quadratic equation of the form x square plus px plus q that equal to 0. One start with a wrong value of p and find the roots to be 2 and 6. Okay. The other starts with a wrong value of q and find the roots to be 2 and minus 9. Find the correct roots and the equation. Okay, so here the first candidate, for the first candidate value of q be true. Okay, for the first candidate value of q be true, but the value of p is wrong. That means here for the first candidate the roots are, 2 and 6, and for the second candidate the roots are 2 and minus 9. So as for the first candidate, here the value of the q will be right, and here q will be the value of the product of two roots, because as here a equal to 1, that means the product of the two roots alpha into beta, that means q by 1, that means q. So as here q is true for the first candidate, then 2 into 6 is the product. So here value of q will be 2 into 6 that equal to 12 for the first one. Now For the second candidate, the value of P, okay, the value of P will be true, but the value of Q is wrong. Value of P is right and value of Q is wrong. So you know that here value of P means here sum of the roots. So that means here P by 1 minus P by 1. So minus P by 1, that equal to sum of the roots. Okay, sum of the roots means here 2 plus minus 9. So it will be 2 minus 9. So from that P equal to 7. So as Q equal to 12, P equal to 7, we just put down the value here instead of P and Q. So x square plus 7x plus 12, that equal to 0. So here x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 12, that equal to 0. So from that x plus 4 into x plus 3, that equal to 0. And from that you can easily find out x equal to minus 4 and x equal to minus 3 as your required roots for this equation.